So part A, right and wrong. We should not follow the traffic rules and signals. Is it right or wrong?
Wrong.
Okay. We should fasten our seat belt when traveling in a car. Is it right or wrong?
I'm right.
Okay. We should swim in ponds, lakes, and rivers. Is it right or wrong?
I'm wrong.
Divyanka, just check. Only you are unmuted. Others are still muted.
Yes, ma'am. Others are muted. Excluding you and me, all are muted.
Okay. After doing this question answer, I will check that and I will unmute you all. We should not try to move the fractured part. Is it right or wrong?
I'm right.
Right. We should not pick, rub, or blow our nose. Is it right or wrong?
I'm right.
Okay. We should not wash the wound with soap and water. Is it right or wrong?
Wrong.
Okay. So let's see the questions. The answers are correct. I'm quickly reviewing all the answers. So students write these answers. The first answer will be wrong. The second one will be right. The third one will be wrong. The fourth one will be right. The fifth one will be right. And the sixth one will be wrong. I hope you all have written this answer. Now we will go to part B. But before going to part B, I'm just sending request to all to unmute.
Yes, ma'am, but instead of sending that, you send us any other thing, which was telling that recording audio.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I have a question also.
Tell me the answers of part B first. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Just a second.
Okay, ma'am.
No one should shout. Always wear a helmet while riding a
Bicycle.
Yes, that is the correct answer. Next, use dash while swimming.
Swimming tube.
Swimming tube. Swimming tube.
That is also correct answer. Very good. Wash the wound with
Soap and water.
Soap and water.
Okay, let's see. Yes, that is the correct answer. So let's see the next question. Apply and dash on the area to reduce the swelling.
Ice pack, ma'am. Ice pack. Ice pack.
Ice pack.
Yes, very good. Correct answer. Apply the solution of dash and water on the burnt area.
Baking soda. Baking soda. Baking soda.
Very good, students. Absolutely correct answer. When nose bleeds, breathe.
Mouth. Through mouth.
Yes, that is also correct answer. So I'm just quickly reviewing all the questions so that you can mark it. So the first answer will be bicycle. Second answer will be swimming tubes. Third answer will be soap and water. Fourth answer will be ice pack. Fifth answer will be baking soda. And the sixth answer will be through mouth. Okay? Have you all written the answers?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am. But ma'am, I have a question.
Yes, Devolin, I will definitely come to you. Before that, students, you tell me, have you written the thinking question answers?
Yes,
All
ma'am.
of
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so
Ma'am, you will not do D number. Ma'am, you will
yes,
not
number
do.
D.
Ma'am, you will not do a D number.
Yes, of course we will do that. D, look at the pictures given below. Write Y where safety rules are being followed and N for where safety rules are not followed. So in this first picture, what will be there? Y or N?
Yes,
Ma'am, this is
yes.
They are walking through the zebra crossing. So it will be a
Yes.
Y.
Y.
Now look at this picture.
I'm N.
This
N.
will be a
N.
Y or N?
Because he is not a elder, so he.
Yes. She doesn't have any adjust with her and she's using the scissor and she has already cut her finger. So this will be an N. Now look at this picture. Is it Y or N?
Why, ma'am?
She is swimming in a swimming pool and she is also using the swimming tubes.
Tube.
Now
Yes, ma'am.
Question.
this one,
Ma'am,
why it will be N?
Because he is standing in the door
The
of the
boy is
bus.
standing in the door.
Standing in
Yes,
front
ma'am.
of the door. Now look at this picture.
Ma'am, this is wrong, ma'am, because he is
N.
ma'am, he is in the water side and also in the
Yes, just beside the river they are playing and also on the water where there is enough water, on that area they are playing and they can anytime slip and fall on the ground.
Sleep.
That
Yes,
will be, and
ma'am.
the last picture, this one,
and this is why, ma'am, because he is not flying a kite in the city.
yes, he is
Because
flying the
the
kite,
wire is will be wrapped.
so it will be a Y. Okay.
Question.
Ma'am, now can you answer my question?
Yes, now no one should shout. Mute yourself and raise your hand. I will clear your doubts. Okay? If you have any doubts, you raise your hand and mute your device. I will call your names one by one and clear your doubts. Okay? Okay.